Hi, you're with me again, Janine, Change for Success. So welcome to this short tapping video. Today we're going to help you release and let go of upset, trauma. When we're in a state of upset, anger, worry, this can really hold us back, and tapping can help you let go of that. It lowers cortisol, reduces stress in the system, and that's what we're going to work on today. So just work on, this upset. If any emotion comes up with this video, that's absolutely fine. It's okay to any energy, good or bad, wants to leave. It's okay to let this come up. Quite often, we can experience some emotion during tapping, and that is okay. Okay, so think of where you're up to with this feeling, and just notice how you feel. And just check in with how you're feeling now and what you'd like to let go of. Okay, we're going to help you lower, release kind of upset, trauma. You may need to repeat this video again several times. Please do go with how you're feeling, and do get in touch if you need more support. Okay, so just start tapping on the side of our hand here. So even though I'm feeling all this upset, maybe connected to trauma or anger, I want to be open to letting go of some of that today. And I choose to love and accept myself anyway. All this upset, I'm feeling all this emotion, and that's okay. I'm going to be with this feeling for a moment or two, and I want to be open to letting this go. All this upset, all this emotion, and it's weighing me down like a load of bags on my shoulders. And I want to be open to letting some of that go today. Whatever might be right for me. And I choose to accept me now anyway. And maybe anyone else that might be involved. Just to help and support. Let me and allow me and let me let go and release all this emotion. Just tapping on the points now. All this upset, all this emotion, all this anguish. And I feel like it's taking over my life. I feel like I can't escape from it a lot of the time. All this upset, all these emotional responses, all this trauma, all this sadness. And it is okay to feel these feelings. It is okay to process this. But I just feel like I've been holding on to this for such a long time. It might have even been a short time, but this is affecting me so much. All this upset, maybe connected to trauma, connected to sadness, maybe somewhere from my past, an event or a memory. All this upset. I'm going to be open to letting this emotion come up now. I'm going to be with this emotion. And it's okay to feel these emotions. I'd rather get into the feeling of these emotions, let them come up and pass through, rather than push them down. I want to be open to letting some of this go today. Open to letting go of some of this upset. Open to letting go of some of this emotion, and allowing this to come up now. Any emotion, good or bad, just wants to leave. So I'm going to be open to letting that come up. All this emotion, all this sadness. Maybe it's safe to start to let go. Maybe it's safe to let go of these emotional reactions. Safe to start to let go of this upset. Safe to start go and release. So it's safe to let go and release. It's safe to start to release this emotion. It's safe to start to let go of this upset, because I don't want to hold on anymore. I want to be open to letting go. Release and let go. Letting all this emotion come up. And it's okay to be with this emotion. It's okay to process this emotion. And I'm processing every emotional reaction now. I'm being open to let go. safe to release and let go. All the way back through my past, because I choose to know the past is gone. And I might be feeling lighter and lighter, feeling good to know that I can release this, feeling good to know that I'm in control. So it's safe to start to let go today, through every single cell in my body. That's great. Take a nice deep breath, breathe out. And I want you to check in with how you feel. You might feel a little bit lighter. Some emotion might have come up. That's absolutely fine. Let that emotion come up. It wants to leave. Maybe note how you're feeling. Do repeat this video. Repeat this over. Tap on the feelings that have come up as well. And please do let me know how you get on. I'm here for that one-to-one support. If you need that, please drop me a message. Wherever you are, whether it's in the UK, across the globe, I work with clients as far as Australia, America, Europe, all over the place. So please do get in touch if you need more private support. Okay, take care. See you soon.